What are you looking at? What do you mean, smile? The idiot wants me to smile. We don't even have a McDonald's that we can go to because of Banakov. How could I smile without a McDonald's hamburger? Idiot. I could cry. I want to go to America because this way I can go to McDonald's. Yes. I guess I told him. Now that I look at him, it may be a her. Are women supposed to have hair on their legs and arms? Very unattractive. I guess I better go. But if you have a way to give me or send me a Big Mac, oh, I would be obligated. I will even give you a smile now so that you can do it. How's that? I'm not smiling because you asked me. Please send me a Big Mac. Yes, in the Stalingrad. Stalingrad? Where are we? Never mind. Goodbye, everybody. Send me a Big Mac today.